black, white, we were created by one image.
I have a problem in Nigeria, that is why I left my country.
Then now we have survived the risk and everything we take in the desert and the sea. Italy, they don't know what the risk we take.
I run for my life because I don't want to die.
So, well, I decided to leave Libya.
Because I don't believe if we all are okay in our country, I see no reason of we taking the risk being here.
There's no food. Because if you don't have documents, you can't rent house, you can't find a work.
They should know that the risk we take, that we didn't take it because we are happy. We take it because of the problem and the situation that we are facing.
I ran to Italy because we heard that Italy is good and we are all Christians. We must be together.
When I was in Nigeria, I haven't heard about Italy. Never.
There is no water in the desert. See many dead people in the desert.
For me to go back to my country and pass the sea, I'd rather pass the sea or to pass the desert back to my country. Because I know coming through the desert, there was no water. We nearly died because our vehicle, the car we used, spoiled on the way.
The major problem why people are tripping into the Italy more and more is because Libya is no more comfortable.
Now, I don't know what is going on now.
We are future, we are our youth. I am 24, I am completing my 25 now. I have a future.
I will never pass that sea. Never.
Yes, I prefer to die. If I don't have documents, I prefer to die here than to go back to my country.
If you don't have a document, you will be fearing about police.
I am a Christian. In my country, we are Christians.
I don't want to go back to my country. He said whether I can take a risk to cross this sea to Italy.
In Nigeria, there is democracy, but they don't practice democracy.
Because for me to go back to my country, I can never.
That is why we run to this place. I don't see the reasons why even the people in Italy, the citizens of Italy, even the government see us as bad people. Not everyone that came from Nigeria, came from other part of Africa is bad.
I never know whether there is freedom, there is a job, they have money, Italy is beautiful. I have never seen or heard it from anybody.
If you have been to Africa, you know what Africa people is facing.
I said if I have a good document, I can pay my tax here in Italy.
When I get to Libya, I don't know anybody. No place to stay. I sleep in cemetery.
They don't like seeing blacks in Libya.
There is no democracy in Libya.
I don't believe every one of us who are here doesn't have something in his own brain. We have different things.
We decide to leave Libya as well to come to the Italy.
I only have 15 days to live. What will I do with 15 days? So I'm in the streets now. I don't have a place to stay. So I don't know anything about my future.
They shouldn't see us as people who doesn't have a future. We have a future.
I said why? Because I know that white and black, we are all the same.
They shouldn't take because of one particular person to judge every one of us. We are not the same.
I run to the desert. I sleep in the desert in 1 week.
My expectation in the future is that if I have the documents, I will reside here, marry here, brought up my children here, and become a citizen.
Now I am a risk.
You see a stone from somewhere. We meet you on your back. They feel maybe you are looking at their girl.
I love American people. Anybody they see, they believe they are ones.
Everything is so cheap in Libya.
I can have my documents, then I will volunteer myself, then I can work with people of Italy.
There's no human rights in Libya.
We are human. We like you people.
I like Italy. I love them.
What is the problem? We are not devil. We are not devil.
Then I will be useful to them. They will be useful to me.
They should use that to know that we are all one.
Obama is black.
Then I can have my family here.
Let my future come to real.
Scapa, scapa.